Decoding Pay Up, dive into English phrases. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, pay up. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning but also know how to use it in your daily conversations. Let's jump right in. At first glance, pay means to give someone money for a service or product, and up is a direction indicating above or higher position. However, when these words come together as pay up, they have a special combined meaning. Pay up often means to settle a debt or to give someone the money you owe them, especially when you are reluctant or when the payment is overdue. Example, hey, remember the money you borrowed last week? It's time to pay up. The beauty of English phrases is that they can be versatile. Let's explore how pay up can be used in various contexts. 1. Friendly reminder. 2. Hey, don't forget to pay up before the movie starts. 3. Urgent demand. 4. You've delayed this for too long. Pay up now or face the consequences. 5. Casual betting. 6. If your team loses, you'll have to pay up. 7. In business. 8. Our suppliers are demanding that we pay up by the end of the month. Some learners might think pay up always has a negative or forceful tone. While it can sometimes imply urgency or frustration, it can also be used in light-hearted or neutral situations. For example, during a fun bet between friends, if I win this game, you'll need to pay up a chocolate bar. Understanding the nuances of English phrases can add depth to your conversations. Pay up is more than just a command. It's a versatile phrase used in various contexts. We hope this video clarified its meaning and usage for you. Keep practicing, and soon these phrases will come naturally to you. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.